Welcome back, y'all. Greg Silverman here, CPA in Alpharetta, Georgia. However, behind me I have the beautiful Safari Game Reserve. Not sure which one it is, somewhere in my beloved Africa with a beautiful giraffe. What a beautiful, relaxing scene. Okay, talk about relaxing, not. We're going to talk about taxes, and specifically, we're going to talk about the effect of Trump's victory on the income tax going forward and other taxes. So come join us. Okay, a great economic future, specifically when it comes to reduction of taxes and reduction of government red tape, is phenomenal for small businesses. I foresee an extreme boom that's going to happen at the smaller end of the market, probably the larger end as well, but certainly the smaller end of the market. Possible deregulation and tax relief incentivizes small business growth, lead to job creation, economic expansion. Who would not want that, I ask you? All right, so the one thing we know that Trump has been very vocal about is that he will be extending the 2017 Tax Act and Jobs Act. The effect of the Tax Act and Jobs Act in Table 4.1 was to take the tax rates that were previously in place and reduce them to what they are currently. So let's say 15% used to be 15, was now 12% with the introduction of the Jobs Act. The highest bracket used to be 39.6. This is just federal and is now 35% because of the Jobs Act. So we do know if the Jobs Act are extended, that these current rates will be extended, if not even lowered, but we know they'll certainly be extended to that point. The other item that we know is that the standard deduction is going to be higher. The standard deduction is adjusted every year for inflation as a result of the Jobs Act, and renewing that will create the higher standard deduction into next year. That will be 14,600 for an individual and 29,200 for married. Without the Jobs Act in place, we were looking at 8,300 standard deduction for individual, 16,600 for married. Quite a big difference, as you could see here. So we're certainly not going back to those days. We know that for certain. Well, folks, thanks for joining me on that. I learned a lot by putting this together, as I hope you did too. What we do know is things are going to be exciting nonetheless going forward. That's not something you want to tell your CPA, but we'll be able to navigate whatever the road throws at us going forward, and some things are actually going to be very beneficial for us. So give me a call if you need help. Greg Silverman out for now.